Okay, good morning grade 9 students. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay solving quadratic equations by extracting roots. So, isa ito sa 4 na paraan ng pagsosolve ng quadratic equations. Okay? Let's start. So, in your previous years, you have defined an exponent. Tama? Maybe nung elementary. So, halimbawa, yung 3 squared, di ba, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay 3 times 3. So, 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. Yung negative 3, quantity squared naman, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay negative 3 times negative 3. So, negative 3 times negative 3, that is equal to 9. Kasi nga, yung product ng like signs ay positive. Okay? So, kung tatanungin tayo, anong number ang kapag in-square ay equal sa 9? Siyempre, yung dalawang numbers na yon ay yung 3 at yung negative 3. Kasi kapag in-square sila, parehas silang makakapagbigay ng sagot na 9. Okay? So, nagawa nating maipakita dito yung solution sa quadratic equation na x squared equals 9, which are x equals 3 or x equals negative 3. Okay? Ngayon, yung x equals 3 at yung x equals negative 3, maaari din natin niyang isulat as x equals positive negative 3. Okay? So, naipakita natin ngayon yung isa sa mga paraan ng pagsosolve ng quadratic equations. Okay? Which is by using the square root property. Okay? So, ano ba yung square root property? So, according to the square root property, if x squared is equal to c, then x equals positive, negative, the square root of c. So bago ko paliwanag to, explain muna natin ng konti kung anong ibig sabihin ng square root. So halimbawa, ang square root ng 9, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay yung number na kapag ka in-square ay makakapagbigay ng 9. So the answer is 3. Kasi 3 times 3 equals 9. Yung square root naman ng 25, yan ay equal sa 5. Kasi 5 times 5 equals 25. Yung square root naman ng 36 ay 6. Kasi 6 times 6 equals 36. At yung square root ng 16 ay equal sa 4. Kasi 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay? So, paano ba natin i-apply yung square root property sa pagsosolve ng quadratic equations? So, halimbawa, solve for x in x squared equals 16. So, solution? From x squared equals 16, yung x squared, magiging x na lang yan, equals, magkakaroon tayo ng positive negative. Pagkatapos, kukunin yung square root ng 16. Okay? So, x equals positive negative. Yung square root ng 16, yun ay 4. So, yung dalawang roots or solutions ng x squared equals 16 ay yung 4 at negative 4. Isa pang halimbawa. Solve for y in y squared equals 49. So, solution? From y squared equals 49, yung y squared, magiging y na lang yan, equals, magkakaroon ng positive negative, and then kukunin yung square root ng 49. So, y is equal to positive, negative. Anong square root ng 49? 7. So, yung roots or solutions ng y squared equals 49 ay positive 7 and negative 7. Okay, para sa inyo naman. What number or numbers can we replace x so that x squared equals 144? So is it A, 72, B, positive negative 72, C, 12, or D, positive negative 12? So maaari nyong i-pause yung video or you may try to answer in 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is letter D, positive negative 12. Okay, so some more examples. Solve for x in x squared minus 2 equals 7. So, solution. Tandaan ninyo, maaari lang nating i-apply yung square root property kapag yung term na naka-square ay mag-isa na lang sa left side. Kaya lang sa given, meron pa tayong minus 2 sa left side. So, para ma-eliminate yan, pwede tayong mag-plus 2 both sides of the equation. So, mangyayari magiging x squared equals 7. Yung negative 2, malilipat sa right side. So, magiging plus 2. So, x squared equals 7 plus 2 is 9. Yan. So, pwede na natin i-apply yung square root property. So, from x squared, magiging x na lang yan, equals, kakaroon ng positive, negative, and then kukunin natin yung square root ng 9. So, x equals positive, negative. Anong square root ng 9? O di 3. So, yung roots or solutions ng equation ay positive 3 and negative 3. So, para maipakita na talagang solutions yung positive 3 and negative 3, i-check natin. Okay? So, paano natin i-check? So, pwede nating palitan yung x ng 3 at yung x ng negative 3 dun sa original na equation. So, palitan natin yung x ng 3. So, we have 3 squared minus 2. Yan ba ay equal sa 7? So, 3 squared is 9 minus 2. Equal ba yan sa 7? What is 9 minus 2? So, 7. So, 7 equals 7. So, tama nga no, na yung x equals 3 ay isang solution. Next, palitan naman natin yung x ng negative 3. So, negative 3 squared minus 2, yan ba ay equal sa 7? So, simplify natin. Negative 3 squared is 9 minus 2 equal sa 7. So, 9 minus 2, 7 is equal to 7. So, correct. So, it proves na yung 3 at negative 3 ay mga solution sa x squared minus 2 equals 7. Alright, para sa inyo naman ulit. Solve for the value or values of y in y squared minus 12 equals negative 8. So, A, is it positive negative 16 or positive negative 6? B, positive negative 2? C, positive negative 20? Or D, positive negative 4? So, you may pause the video or you may try to answer in 10 seconds. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is letter B, positive negative 2. Okay, last example. Solve for n in the quantity n plus 2 squared equals 25. So, tandaan, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, maaari lang nating i-apply yung square root property kung mag-isa na lang nung term na naka-square sa left side. So, dito sa given, mag-isa na lang nung expression na n plus 2, kasi siya yung naka-square, mag-isa na lang siya sa left side. 'Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pwede na nating i-apply yung square root property. Kaya from the quantity n plus 2 squared, magiging n plus 2 na lang yan, then equals, magkakaroon ng positive negative, and then square root of 25. Yung parentheses or yung quantity sa n plus 2, pwede na nating alisin yan kasi yung sign before niyan ay positive naman, no? O walang sign sa left side ng parentheses. Okay? So we now have n plus 2 equals positive negative. Yung square root ng 25 ay 5. So magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng dalawang equation, no? Kapag pinaghiwalay natin yung positive negative 5. So yung isang equation ay n plus 2 equals positive 5 at yung isa naman ay n plus 2 equals negative 5. So isasolve natin yung dalawang equation na yan, no? Starting with the left side. So yung tanggalin lang natin yung positive sa 5. So we now have n equals 5. Yung plus 2 sa left side, malilipat sa right side, so magiging negative 2. So n equals 5 minus 2 is 3. Para naman sa right side, we have n equals negative 5. Yung plus 2, ilipat sa right side, so magiging negative 2. So, n equals negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7. So, yung dalawang roots or solutions ng the quantity n plus 2 squared equals 25 ay 3 at negative 7. Okay? So, i-check natin. Paano ulit natin i-check? Isa-substitute natin yung nakuha nating values ng variable dun sa original na equation. So, palitan natin yung n ng 3. Tama ba na 3 plus 2 quantity squared ay equal sa 25? So, 3 plus 2 is 5. And then 5 squared, okay, tama. Equal siya sa 25. Ngayon, palitan naman natin yung n ng negative 7. So, negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. Yung negative 5 kapag ini-square, alright, equal din sa 25. So, tama nga ng mga solutions, yung 3 at yung negative 7. Okay, your turn to practice. Which of the following is a solution to the quantity n plus 5 squared equals 9? So, is it A, 4, B, negative 2, C, negative 4, or D, 14? Okay? So, sa mga choices, puro isa-isa lang, no? So, ibig sabihin, kapag kasinolve nyo yung equation, dalawa yung lalabas dyan, i-check nyo lang kung alin sa mga choices yung meron. Okay? So, you may pause the video or you may try to answer in 10 seconds. Okay, so time is up. The correct answer is letter B, negative 2. So pag sinolve niyo yan, actually ang lalabas ay n equals negative 2 or negative 8. Okay, so congratulations! You're now done with lesson 2.1, solving quadratic equations by extracting roots. See you in the next lesson.